Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. We always say the car in front of you is Toyota, but Mazda is slowly replacing Toyota in Kenya because of its Kodo design. Mazda's design philosophy, known as Kodo, Soul of Motion, is a unique and distinctive approach to automotive design that emphasizes several key principles and aesthetics. Kodo represents the idea of bringing the soul and vitality of living beings, as well as the dynamic and graceful movements of animals, into the design of Mazda vehicles. Here are the main elements of Mazda's Kodo design philosophy. Elegance through simplicity. Kodo design aims to create a sense of elegance through simplicity. The design focuses on clean lines, hand-cluttered surfaces, and a minimalist approach to details. Dynamic and fluidity. Mazda's design language is all about creating a sense of motion and dynamism in the design, even when the vehicle is stationary. The flowing lines and curves on the vehicle's body are designed to give the impression of movement and life. Sculpted forms. Kodo design incorporates sculpted body surfaces with well-defined character lines and contours. These elements add depth and visual interest to the vehicle's appearance. Soulful expression. The design philosophy aims to express the soul or spirit of the vehicle, reflecting the passion and dedication that went into its creation. This approach connects the driver and passengers with the vehicle on an emotional level. Dramatic and expressive grille. The front grille often serves as a focal point of Kodo design. It may feature a prominent, dynamic grille design that plays a central role in defining the vehicle's character. Balanced proportions. Mazda's designers focus on achieving balanced proportions, ensuring that every part of the vehicle's design complements the whole, from the headlights to the taillights. Premium and upscale aesthetic. Kodo design aims to convey a premium and upscale aesthetic even in non-luxury segments, creating a sense of refinement and quality. Driver-centric interior. The interior design is often driver-centric, with a focus on creating a harmonious and comfortable environment that enhances the driving experience. Attention to detail. Mazda places great importance on attention to detail, using high-quality materials and craftsmanship to create a sense of precision and quality in the design. Kodo, Soul of Motion, is intended to evoke emotion and create a strong visual identity for Mazda vehicles. The design language has been applied to various Mazda models, including the Mazda 6, Mazda CX-5, and Mazda 3, among others, creating a consistent and recognizable brand image. It's important to note that while these principles provide a foundation, specific design elements and details can vary from one Mazda model to another, reflecting the unique characteristics and purpose of each vehicle. Do you think Mazda got the design? Share your sentiments in the comment section. Remember to subscribe, share and like.